Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm here today at one of Wilson Homes Estates, and this one is due for a handover on the 16th of Saturday this month. This is their 13th handover, and as you can see guys, work is in progress and everyone is doing every bit they can to make sure that it is ready for Saturday. So as you can see right now, they've planted trees already. It's going to be green in a few. And let me tell you something, this place has already been fully sold out. I'm in shock, just as you are. So wherever you are, whether you're in Kenya, Nairobi, anywhere, diaspora, just know that Wilson Homes properties go fast. So today I just want to show you guys how it looks like. I want you guys to enjoy seeing this as much as I did. So let's go in and see how it goes. So guys, I'm walking down the road that leads into the other houses of the estate. As you can see, this is the outside facade of one of the houses. And right here, it has a very beautiful stone cladding. And this stone cladding specifically is one of Wilson Homes' statutory, or should I say, something that you will use to know that this is a Wilson Homes house. And one of the other things that is very important is that you will notice that in the area we are in, right off Kenyatta Road, every estate you see with a red roofing is definitely Wilson Homes. And they have done several, not just this one, but several estates. So as you can see, this is a good house. And it comes with this is a two car parking. Yeah. This is a 2-car parking. You can use 2 cars, and just in case you have visitors and there are more than 2, they can always park somewhere on the driveway. You get a good garden which has already been planted trees on and grass. So guys, this is the outside. They've already put out street lights, solar powered street lights, and they're beautiful. You can never go wrong with Wilson Homes. Let's go inside and see how it looks like. Wow, guys, just look at this. This is a very spacious living room. As you can see, it has a huge window, almost ceiling to the floor, but it's just huge enough so lighting won't be a problem. They have light fixtures, and as you can see, these light fixtures have been put in a way that you are able to come here afterwards and customize it yourself. So let's get into the kitchen area. As you can see right here beside me, this is the kitchen counter, one of the many kitchen counters. This here can be used as a work table, it can be used as an eating space, and you can most definitely use it as a cooking place. So this is the washing sink, and my oh my, this kitchen is huge. As you can see, they have a pantry right here to my left, and right to my right here you can see how beautiful this kitchen is. You can definitely have your cooker here, your fridge there. Wow, there's so much you can do with this kitchen. Man, I wish I had money to buy one myself. Right exactly off the kitchen is the living room area. Not the living room, pardon me, the dining room area. As you can see right here, you have enough space to fit a whole family dinner set here. And of course, there's this. This is the sink where you can just wash your hands and clean up before you eat and right after you eat. So once you're out of here from the kitchen, coming back to the living room, to my right and to my left is more rooms and more rooms. So guys, to my right, as you can see right here as I enter it, this is the visitors cloakroom. It's spacious, it's big. Your visitors won't worry about anything. They can come here, freshen up, do a little bit of everything. And to my right and to my left are 2 rooms. And all of these rooms, let me tell you guys, all of these rooms are en suite. And I'm telling you guys, en suite means every room has its own bathroom. So I'll enter one of the bathrooms and they're beautiful. Wow. You have your own sink, your own toilet, and a shower. So as long as you have one of these rooms, you're set. And you have a huge wardrobe. Oh my. This is a huge wardrobe. I'd love one of these. So if you're a young family and maybe you have a son and a daughter, this could be one of their rooms. It's a beautiful room and the windows are spacious enough. The electricity is not on yet and it's 6 o'clock in the evening, but we can see light enter the room. Let's go to the other room, which is the other bedroom. And to my surprise, it's also an en suite room. Just the same size as the other one. As you can see, same size as the other one. A very spacious wardrobe, and wow, I just love the look of this. I don't know whether this is wood. This sounds like wood. And as you can see, super spacious. And last but not least, you get your washroom. The washroom is just the same as the other room, very spacious, and you have a sink and a toilet and a shower head. The shower head hasn't been fixed yet so that you are able to customize it the way you like. So whether you want a rain kind of shower head, it's up to you guys. So last but not least, actually this is not last, but it's one of the most exciting pieces of this house, is the master bedroom. Let's go see it, guys. And as you can see, you have to walk through the living room and through the kitchen so that you go straight to the master bedroom. The good thing about the master bedroom is that it is opposite sided from the other rooms. So as the master of the house, as I should say, you have enough privacy for yourself. And this space is almost double the size, if not triple the size of the other rooms. And you get 2 wardrobes, which I suppose is his and hers. And this is super. This is like a walkthrough, you know? I'm walking through the wardrobe, guys, as you can see. And right after you walk through the wardrobe, you get your master en suite toilet and bathroom. Wow, this is even way bigger than the other ones. I like it. I suppose they're going to install a shower curtain here for somebody taking a shower, and maybe when somebody wants to use the toilet. This is a magnificent room. Now, to the last add-on of this house. You've seen the living room, you've seen the bedrooms, you've seen the kitchen, but you didn't know that this house comes with servants' quarters. We don't like calling them servants' quarters because, well, we don't have servants anymore. We have house managers. House managers, and as you can see, from the outside, using the kitchen, the doors are just linked together. So you can come out of the kitchen and enter your servants' quarters. It's locked right now, but guys, it's a spacious room. As you can see from where I'm standing, this is how spacious it is. And you can also use this space as a laundry area because they've already fitted electricity here for your washing machine. And the plumbing is already done. So if you buy a house from Winston Homes, guys, you're sorted. You're sorted for days. When you come out of the kitchen into your servants area, you will notice that you have a huge backyard. This backyard is so beautiful, guys. It's huge. And right now it's only been manicured. They've already planted grass on it. So in a few weeks, it's going to be fully lush. It's going to be beautiful. Your daughters, your sons can play on this grass as they enjoy the labor that you've done for them to enjoy this. Guys, this is beautiful. You have to come here at Winston Homes. They have a handover ceremony on Saturday, the 16th of this December 2023. Make sure to join them. This is a beautiful place you need to see. At least you get hope to know that Winston Homes is one of the good developers that do deliver when they say they will. Don't feel afraid to call or contact them. Their contacts will be in the description, guys. Feel free. and peace out.